Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a beard grooming kit that I bought off Amazon recently. Now, the brand is called Growing a Beard, and here's the box I got. Right now, I bought the largest grooming kit that they had available that you could purchase, and it was $28.96, and then plus shipping and taxes, it came out to $31.35 total. And again, here's the box I got. I like that they didn't really waste any space. They fit everything in a tight, neat little box. Opening it up, get straight into it. So you can sit that right there. All right, first thing I see, you got your beard comb. All right, pretty standard looking, beard comb, which will definitely come in handy now that my beard is starting to get longer. I actually I'm gonna enjoy using a comb over a brush sometimes, And I don't know about y'all guys, but I just like brushing it and combing it, period. When I get bored or just sitting around watching TV or whatever, I actually like to brush and comb my beard. I don't know about you guys, but I do. So I'll use this a lot. Moving into the next thing is the actual beard brush. Right, seems pretty good. The bristles on it actually seem fairly well. I have a beard brush where the bristles are really soft, and it doesn't really feel like it actually gets into my beard anymore because my beard's starting to get longer. And then I have another brush that's the exact opposite, where it is really coarse. And the bristles aren't real thick; they're more separated, but they're real coarse. And I know those suckers get down in the skin because if you brush your beard too long, my skin starts hurting after a while. It hurts the skin because it's so coarse and hard. But this seems like a happy medium. Seems like a good in the middle of the really, really soft and the real coarse, hard bristles. So I like this. I'll probably use this a lot. Let's see if we can kind of get this stuff in the picture at all. Probably not. We're gonna have this set up right now. But moving on, let's see. We got your little scissors here for trimming. Nothing fancy. I guess these don't really need to be fancy, but they don't seem real cheap. So it actually has the logo on these too. So those are pretty good. And here we got some beard balm. Seems like it's all like travel size. No, that's just the ingredients. But yeah, a lot of this stuff seems like it's travel size and not like full size. Now this, oh wow. Now the scent, it smells like a clean, refreshing smell to it. It's not like a cologne or a woodsy or citrus smell. It's more of a clean, like something you'd use while you're cleaning your house, like a certain type of Febreze or something, It smells like that. It smells good, It doesn't smell chemically. That's not the right word, obviously. It doesn't smell like it has a lot of chemicals in it, but it does smell clean. Moving on to, what is this, the beard oil? All right, here's the beard oil. This seems like it's, this is a full-size bottle. Go ahead and smell this real quick. All right, well, like the beard balm had a scent to it. This, I can't smell anything. It might be the same scent, the same fragrance, but I can't smell anything from this oil. So just going off that, if you want a beard oil that doesn't have a smell to it at all, maybe if you have to be in a work situation where it'd be inappropriate to have scents blasting everybody's nose, whatever, I don't know, but if you need something that doesn't smell, this definitely does not have a smell to it. Moving on, we got the beard shampoo. That lighting, man. Beard shampoo. Again, I might as well bring this is the conditioner with it. Both of these together, the shampoo and the conditioner. Again, they seem like they're a travel size, you know, that you'd be able to bring on an airport. Now, I know I ordered a kit that specifically said that it's good for traveling for the airport. You know, it's within regulations for the airports. I don't know off the top of my head if this is the one, but I'll put it down in the comments once I post this video if this is the one. But these do seem like travel size quantities, you know, in containers. Has the same smell as the balm, the nice clean smell to it, you know. I like it. I think it smells all right. You know, it's not too elegant or anything like that. But I do say I like the design of it. You know, it's kind of a sleek. You know, it's not real fancy in your face or anything like that. You know, I typically prefer those over the big flashy. Hey, look at me. You know, trying to anybody that automatically like tries to bro me up. I'm like, all right, what's this guy really after? You know, I'm real suspicious of him because I've had that in the past. People try to bro me up or, oh yeah, you a vet? Yeah, man, me and you together forever. We go do this, and they're just trying to sucker me into something and trying to use that to their advantage and take advantage of me and using that, you know. So I'm real skeptical when people are like over the top, you know, bromancing me, or you know, when they got their products all flashy and everything. Sometimes it's due to a lack of quality, you know, so they're trying to get you on the design, you know. So I'm always skeptical. That's what I'm saying. But with this, seems kind of basic, but sleek, you know, slim, you know. They're not trying to like overcompensate for anything, which I like. All right, moving on. This is what I'm actually excited for, was this heated beard comb brush, or whatever you want to call it, you know. I don't know what's up with that. All right. Now, another thing that I'm skeptical about is how things look online or on TV versus how they are in real life. You know, they're great at making stuff look real high quality and really good, and then once you actually get the product, it's garbage, it's cheaply made, and it's crap, you know. Yeah, it seems like a fairly decent product. It feels nice. This handle feels cheap. It's like cheap plastic here, but this side, I guess this would be the important side, feels pretty good. Now it popped out and I hear a screw loose, so I'm not quite sure about that. And I snapped it back in, and I guess it doesn't want to come back out again. Here we go. Now I don't know what's up with this, so I don't know if that's supposed to just slide out like that. I don't know. But here it is. I'm excited. I'm going to try it out and see how it works. I'm excited to use one of these and see how well it works in general, you know. But again, with a grain of salt, you know, not all products are made equally. So I can hear like a rattle in there. So I'm not too enthused right now, but we'll see. All right, and finally we got the straight edge blade. If I can get it to come out. All right, it seems, you know, decent, nothing extravagant or anything like that, basic. And it has a blade right here to break and put in. Seems fairly good quality, you know. Again, I like how it's just basic. I don't need flashy shit, you know, to make me feel better about myself. You know, if it gets the job done, I'm good. So yeah, it hit pretty good. It's got some weight to it. I like that. You know, it's not flimsy. It feels like it's stainless steel. It probably says somewhere if it what it is stainless steel, but I'm pretty sure it's stainless steel. So it came with that and the razor, which is good. And the only thing left is, you know, instructions how to use the beard brush, which I actually read instructions. I'm not one of those guys that refuse to read instructions. I actually, if it comes with instructions, I read them because I don't want to mess something up and the money I spend on it just be wasted. I'd rather read the instructions and get it done right and actually be able to use what I spent my money on. That's just me though. And a card with a code on it for, I guess, you know, further discounts or something. But that's pretty much it. Again, this is Grow Beard Company. They sell their stuff on Amazon. It got here pretty quick, like a week or so. You know, I ordered it and it was here. I was actually surprised how fast it got here. I wasn't, you know, expecting it to get here fairly soon, especially with everything going on, but it did. It got here faster than I thought it would be. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hey, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like. I appreciate it greatly. And with that said, I hope everybody has a great day.